Hey, 5th grade mathematicians, we're going to do entry task day 132. Which fraction model best represents 4 times 1/6? Well, what is 4 times 1/6? It is 4/6, which can be simplified to 2/3. Well, we see that A and B are eliminated, but C and D, C is 2/3. D is 4/6, and which one best represents that? It would be D because it's more specific to the expression. Okay, problem number 2. Lizard Park is in the shape of a rectangle. The width of the park is 3 2/4 miles. The length of the park is 2.5. So 3 2/4. I'm going to say 3.5. And times 2.5. Now, if I do an estimate here, I'm going to round 3.5 to 4, and I'd round 2.5 to 3. So what's 4 times 3? It's about 12. So we're looking for an answer that's close to 12. So I know length times width is area, so I'm going to go 3.5 times 2.5. And I'm going to make this, I'm going to solve this one doing improper fractions. So 3 1/2 is 7/2, and 2.5 is 5/2. So we end up with 35/4. So I know that that is equal to 4 goes into 35 8 times. There's 3 left over. So we have 8 3/4 square miles. And you know what's I keep doing this on these entry tests is I use the answer space as the rectangle that they're using, even though those dimensions do not really match up when you look at the length and the width. But whatever. So there we have it, problem number 2. Okay, let's take a look at problem number 3. The graph shows the locations of the houses of Jason, Carmen, Paolo, and Rebecca. Create the coordinate pair that represents the location of Jason's house. So let's zoom in. And we start at the origin. And we're going to go over 4 and up 10. So the ordered pair, the coordinate pair, we have an x of 4 and a y of 10. So 4, 10 would be where Jason's house is. And problem number 4, use words to complete a statement which describes the value of the expression. So what am I doing? 9 from 303. Well, I would say you subtract 9 from 303. You could also say take 9 from 303, or another synonym. And then we're multiplying. Or, oops, if I could spell correctly, multiply by 7, or times by 7. So that was a pretty short lesson for entry task 132. Okay, are you guys ready for it? Because tomorrow's lesson is the last one for this